Well, evening again, guys. This evening I'm going to do a blog on my own personal Caravan toolkit. That's it. Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Cyber tool. Now, 99% of the things I need to do around the Caravan, this does the job absolutely perfectly. I mean, the Swiss Army knife was originally designed for the Swiss military, and it's one of the most powerful armies in the world, and they are fantastic. Now, it has a tin opener with a little screwdriver, and it really does work. In addition to that, it has a bottle opener with a larger screwdriver. Now, the Cyber tool has also a screwdriver with detachable heads. There's a flat bit, a cross bit, Allen key, hexagon head bits, small cross head, large cross head, different size hexagon heads. In addition to that, it also has a really good pair of pliers, and they are really good. There's even wire cutters in the centre there. Scissors. These are really good. Anybody that has had Swiss Victorinox products, this stuff, it's the best. Don't buy any other pen knives, they're a waste of time. It has a saw. This is a wood saw which actually cuts both directions, and it is really sharp, and it'll go through wood no problem. In addition to that, there is a metal saw and two files, a rougher one and a smoother one. There is a small penknife, and there is a much larger penknife. There is a pen, and it does the job. Great. Used it many a time. There is a toothpick. Now on the other side, there is a pair of tweezers, which are really good. Everything's good on Victorinox. They don't make rubbish. It's all good stuff. There is a corkscrew. Get your wine open overnight. There is a little a little screwdriver which is designed for repairing glasses and stuff, and that really does work. There is another little screwdriver. There is the hook. Now, most people don't understand exactly what this hook's for. Now, this hook was designed because everybody years ago used to wrap the parcels in brown paper and then use cord string to go around. And the hook is designed to pick up the string so you can carry the boxes without hurting your hands. In addition to that, it's like a drill. What you're supposed to do is push it down into something and turn it around, and it cuts a hole. It really does work. That is the Victorinox. Does 99% of the jobs. Cyber tool. If you like the video, please subscribe. Hit the notifications things. Any comments, please put them in below. Thanks for tuning in.